my friends, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have some fun products to share with you today. Are you ready? Dun, dun, dun. One is an absolute necessity because it's like one of those things that I can't believe we don't already have them. Crazy. One is a new little peep that is a little girl, and one is a request that we have had for probably close to a year, and I finally got around to doing it, and so I'm excited about that. Let's look at that one first. It is called Not Signed to Stamp. Makes no sense at all, does it? Well, it is some words that you're going to use to stamp on the inside of a card and allow someone to reuse that card to someone else. So for example, it says, I hope this card makes you smile. I didn't sign it, so enjoy it a while. Then pass the cheer to a friend you hold dear. Or, I didn't sign this card, so you can send it on its way to bless someone else's day. Or, from our home to yours, and from my home to yours. Because those are two requests we have gotten over and over again to have it say from our home, and then for it to say from my home. So both options are there. And I know a couple people that have been waiting for that one alone. So this is a really fun one, and I'll show you what I mean on why you would use these in just a second, okay? This is the one that I said I cannot believe we don't already have. Rounded rectangles. How could we not have nested rounded rectangles? Do we call ourselves a company? I'm just kidding. But can you believe we don't have them? Yes, it's finally time to have them because you know what? I need them. Perfect for shaker cards. And I have some samples. Again, I'm going to say that. Perfect for shaker cards. Ready? Also, here we go. Introducing Little Peeps Kirstin. This is Kirstin, my oldest daughter, Little Peep. Everyone should have a friend like you. Thank you for being my friend. Forever friends. Cute little dress, little bows, little things to put in her hair. Now, what if you want her to wear overalls? Use your giraffe set that has the overalls. What if you want her to have jeans? Use the bear set that has jeans. All of the clothing mixes and matches. Now that cute little bear can be a girl because you can put that cute little dress on her. Now, here we go. Here are our cute little dies that match, all of her little bows, extra bows with little layers and things like that to put in her hair because she's so cute. Now, your first thing you're all thinking right now is, okay, we have Kirstin, what about Katie? Katie's coming. Katie's soon. Katie came 4 years after Kirstin did in real life. So you're not gonna have to wait 4 years for the little peep Katie, but you know, Katie comes later. But isn't she adorable? Now, I have lots of samples. First of all, let's look at our shakers using those rounded rectangles. Look at that. Now, I love how Cheryl did this one because she even added the plaid background. And again, Cheryl is really known for using that 3D ink. She used 3D ink dots all the way around these. I wish you could see this one in person because it's so gorgeous. She also used them on, oh, actually she did not use them on this one. She used paint, but isn't that gorgeous? But dots all the way around using that 3D ink. And hello, it's a shaker. Here's another fun shaker with a wider border. So you could do your shakers with thin borders or wider borders. It's up to you. Look how gorgeous that is. It's the most wonderful time of the year. Now, here we go. Here is, let me make sure I'm doing the right ones. Okay, here we go. First of all, there's Kirstin with brown hair. Isn't she adorable? And actually, Kirstin in real life has brown hair. But here we go, Forever Friends. Peace on Earth, and then there's this little post-it in here that says, I didn't sign this card, so you can send it on its way to bless someone else's day. Now, you could write your message on this little piece of paper, and then they're gonna peel this off, and then they can send it to someone as well. Isn't that nice? Yeah, so especially perfect for people that do not make cards. They'll have a nice card to send once they're done enjoying it. Here's a cute one on Kirstin with blonde hair. Open that up. Again, I didn't sign this card, so you can send it on its way. Peel it up, and then they can reuse the card. Isn't that fantastic? I know, it's such a great idea. And I know you guys have been asking for it for a long time. I finally did it. Okay, here's a cute one. Ready? Again, on a Post-it note, you just peel that out. You write your message on here, so you still get to sign it. You still get to sign it, just not on the card itself, so they get to reuse it. Again, here's another one. Open it up, and they didn't sign it, so now they can send it away. Isn't that awesome? Now, let's look at some more Kirstin samples. Look at how cute she is. This is not a shaker, but it looks like she's looking through a window. So, oh, she is looking through a window. I hadn't opened this one yet. Look how cute that is. Open it up. She's looking through that window in her little garden. So cute. Now, let's put her with some friends. Let's put her with some friends. This says family on it. Isn't that cute? Absolutely adorable with a little heart on the inside. Family. Or friends, family, or girlfriends. Look at how cute these little girls are. They're all holding hands. They all look 100% different, but it's the same stamp each time. Just by coloring it a different color, you're getting 4 different looks right here. We could add another one right here for 5 different looks. We could add this one for 6 different looks. Look at how she changes just by the way you color her, or you add a plaid dress using the dyes. Look at this. Here's another one. So cute. Just mix and match her. Oh, here's a cute one. Again, just reuse it. Oh, and here's a cute one. Add different eyes. Look at that. Each time, totally different. The way you color it, the way you add different clothing, or the way you change her clothing up. So fun. This one's even more fun because look, this one made, this designer, who did this one? Danya did this one. T-shirt and skirt instead of a full dress. Isn't that cute? I know! She's so adorable. I love her. Again, more Little Peeps coming. I know you guys are all loving the Little Peeps. And again, all of their clothing coordinates. You can use this dress on the giraffe if you want. It's up to you. So much fun. They're little paper dolls. They're called Little Peeps. Thank you so much, club members. Of course, you're getting that club discount on all of these products. All of these designs are in our gallery on our website, thestampsoflife.com. So go see them there. You can print them out. You can make them their favorites. Whatever. You get to go check them out again. Thanks so much. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.